What if I told you this premium pressure washer is ultra quiet, retracts itself, and saves me time and money, all while giving pro level results? This is the Giraffe Tools UltraFlow, and after using it daily in my detailing business, I've got a full breakdown.
Giraffe Tools sent me their new UltraFlow retractable pressure washer to test out. All right, let's check it out and see what we got inside. So we got this nice high quality spray gun and the spray wand, and of course the instructions. And here is the pressure washer. Let's take it out. So in the box you get a turbo nozzle and multiple other nozzles for the pressure washer gun. I love how it's so organized in the pressure washer itself. The retractable 50-foot hose, a holder for the wand and the spray gun, an inlet hose for the garden hose, and a really nice soap dispenser and soap dispenser holder. It's wall mounted 2.6 GPM, comes with a built-in 50-foot hose, and best of all, it's whisper quiet. Giraffe Tools says it costs under $1 per wash, and it's rated to last over 1,000 hours. Let's see how it performs. Here's my setup. I mounted it in my garage, and you can see everything's easily accessible. This is a well thought out machine. This is definitely gonna save me a lot of time on my details. You can also place it on a cart or platform if you're mobile. And look how nice the hose retracts. And then it returns just as nice.
Mounting the pressure washer on the wall was super easy using the supplied mounting bracket from Giraffe Tools and hardware. As you see, I just used some 2x4s and the hardware, and the pressure washer just slides onto the bracket.
This is my shop vac. Pretty loud, right? Now listen to the pressure washer. Giraffe Tools says it's 75% quieter than gas units, and I believe it. I had a gas pressure washer in my mobile van, and that thing was loud and vibrated like crazy. I don't need ear protection, and my neighbors don't even know it's on.
Connecting your garden hose to the pressure washer is super easy using the supplied inlet hose from Giraffe Tools, as you see. And then I prep some soap with the detergent tank supplied by Giraffe Tools. Starting the UltraFlow pressure washer is so easy, just a push of a button, and that's it.
Let's fully extend this 50-foot hose and wash my mobile detailing van. Got the hose fully extended, 50 feet. Awesome. As you see, this is a premium quality hose. It does not kink, and it's nice and flexible. And I'm all the way here to the curb of the street. All right, let's test this out with some real grime. Oh yeah, look at all of that. Fresh mud. Nice and grimy and dirty. I'm gonna use the 25 degrees nozzle supplied by Giraffe Tools with the pressure washer to blast away all that mud. And look at that, the hood is completely cleaned off in just a matter of seconds. This pressure washer is gonna save me tons of time detailing.
Next, I used the supplied turbo nozzle from Giraffe Tools, and this thing is incredibly powerful. You can just hear how strong it is. It blasts away easily all the grime off the fenders. And using the supplied soap dispenser, I foam up the fenders like I usually do and scrub away, but a lot of the work was already done with that turbo nozzle. I then used the 25 degrees nozzle from Giraffe Tools, and this easily rinsed away a lot of dirt off the wheels already from my mobile detailing van. Use the soap dispenser again to foam up the wheels. I'm really impressed by this foam dispenser. Definitely high quality, and it makes wheel cleaning a lot easier. I then rinse away the soap with the supplied 40 degrees nozzle, and I'm so impressed by this pressure washer. And let's put it to the test here. The rear doors and the rear bumper are super dirty on my detailing van. With the 25 degrees nozzle and the power of this pressure washer, you can see how quick all that dirt comes off the paint and the rear bumper. This is going to save me tons of time on my details. You can see here's the before, absolutely filthy and dirty. And up close here, you can see how clean the panels are now. The Giraffe Tools UltraFlow with that 2.6 GPM cuts through all this dirt with ease. A lot faster and more efficient. This will save me tons of time for my details. I then used the 15 degrees nozzle supplied from Giraffe Tools And I can see this being very useful for dirt, especially on the lower areas of the car that need an extra power to remove, like you see I'm doing here. And I love that extra wide fan of the 40 degrees nozzle.
We got some stuck on mud or dirt on the windshield. Let's blast it away with the 40 degrees nozzle. Took about half a second and it's gone, whatever that was. That stuck on dirt just blasted away that fast. That was pretty awesome. This pressure washer is going to save me tons of time and effort.
I get started washing my mobile detailing van. I love this included detergent tank. Does a great job at foaming the whole exterior. As you see, you got different adjustments depending on what type of fan you want and how much soap you want to come out. And it does a great job of laying down all that soap for me to do the entire wash process for my van. And with a supplied 25 degrees nozzle and at 2.6 GPM from this UltraFlow pressure washer, it easily rinses away all that soap, saving me tons of time. And here are some satisfying before and afters. You can see how dirty it was before I washed it. The wheels were filthy, and all along the lower doors, you can see where I'm pointing, all that dirt just accumulating on the paint, especially down here. And now after, you can see how cleaner my wheels are. A lot brighter, and the paint looks so much better. All that dirt is gone. With the 2.6 gallons per minute and 1,650 PSI, this pressure washer makes washing cars so much easier than before. The automatic hose retraction feature is so much more efficient. No more tripping over tangled hoses. This unit uses a brushless motor and a copper crankshaft pump rated at over 1,000 hours. And with each wash costing under $1, it pays for itself fast, especially for pros like me. Everything you need is included: detergent tank, hose, spray gun, wall bracket, turbo nozzle, and 3 fan nozzles. No extra purchases needed. You mount it, plug it in, and you're good to go.
If you want to upgrade your wash setup, check out the Giraffe Tools UltraFlow pressure washer using my exclusive link below. You'll also get a $100 coupon. Drop your questions in the comments and subscribe for more pro detailing gear reviews.